Alright, hey guys, this is Lil Chad here, and he's going to do a bike check. We're here at Reed Skate Park. Here we go.
Hey, what's up guys? Starting out with the frame, I got the Freedom frame in 20.75, 20-inch top tube, 75-degree inch head back tube, whatever you want to call it. So I got S&M fathead bars, 8.5, 29 wide. I got Primo Annihilator V2 front load stem. I got the Stolen top cap, Stolen headset, Pink foundation forks, Odyssey Aiken tire, Cinema 333 front wheel. I got the Demolition team peg right here on the left, and the Mongoose plastic peg on the right. And then at the back, I got the Demolition market seat. Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, it's pretty soft, but I have the Shadow post, integrated seat plant. Primo hollow bite cranks. 175 millimeter. Got premium slim metal pedals in brown. I got the Odyssey MDS sprocket. Pretty in depth. Odyssey MDS sprocket. I got the Colt chain. I got a Primo Remix back wheel. Primo Remix hub. I got the Odyssey Aiken back tire with the Demolition team peg right on the left, and the Mongoose, another Mongoose plastic peg on the right. So, and I got the last thing, I got the Demolition Rob Wise grips.
Alright guys, as you can see, his bike is pretty dialed. Bam. See you guys and subscribe.